In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to fork in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your own copy of an existing project, often called a fork or, in Replit's wording, a remix. This is perfect when you want to experiment, learn from a template, or safely modify a project without touching the original. First, open your browser and head to the Replit website. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the projects area. This is where your published apps and repositories live, and it's the quickest place to find the work you want to duplicate. Next, locate the project you want to fork. Hover over it or open its tile to reveal the options menu, then click the three dots icon. This menu holds actions specific to that project, and it's where you'll find the command to create a copy. Choose the remix option. Remixing in Replit creates a new independent version of the selected project under your account. It keeps the original intact while giving you a safe sandbox to test, learn, or ship changes on your own timeline. When the remix dialog appears, start by changing the project name. A clear, descriptive name helps you distinguish your clone from the source. Consider including context like the tech stack or purpose, for example, My App Remix Python or Portfolio Clone Dark Theme, so you can recognize it instantly later. You can also add a short description. This is especially helpful if you plan to share the project or revisit it after a while. Summarize what makes this version unique, what you're trying to achieve, or any notes about the setup. A sentence or two is plenty, but make it meaningful. Decide whether the project should be public or private. Public is great for learning in the open, collaborating, or showcasing your work. Private is better for experiments, proprietary code, or early stage ideas you're not ready to share. Pick what aligns with your goals and your plan's allowances. Finally, click Remix App to create the fork. Before you confirm, take a moment to consider your plan's project limits, especially if you're on the free tier. If you're near the limit, you may want to archive or delete older projects you no longer need, or upgrade your plan to unlock more capacity. Once you proceed, Replit will